Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Actually, there's been almost a week now since I recorded any videos here because the weather has been actually really bad. Raining every day, but today the sun has come out again. Also, this will be my very last video from Cancun because I have booked a flight to fly somewhere else, but you will have to watch the next video to see where I'm going. In my videos I have showed you almost all parts of Cancun and the hotel zone, downtown Cancun, but today there's one last place I'm gonna show you, and I'm also gonna give you some information about the best time to go to Cancun and yeah. Well, let's go out to the beach. Vamos a la playa. I had been in Mexico since January this year, and it had been a great time. I had first planned to travel over to the west side of Mexico several months ago, but I had such a good life in Cancun that I had stayed much longer. The absolute best time to go to Cancun is between January and May. The hurricane season is from June until December. Cancun had not been affected by hurricanes until October this year, and since then there have been a total of 4 storms.
I think you can see there's a tractor over here in the background. He's making the sand even because of all the hurricanes and storms that have been here. They have just kind of come in over the beach and they pushed all the sand up into the buildings, as you can see here. It also seems like the tourism is starting to pick up here again. I'm seeing a lot more people on the beach. In the recent 2 months, 1 or 2 months, there was almost no people here because a lot of the hotels closed after the hurricane.
October and November have been the worst months so far this year, with lots of rain. By the horizon you can see a bad rainstorm passing by. Storms are anticipated to come into the month of December as well.
So here behind me we have a really popular beach, and there are a lot of people out on the beach today. More people than what I've seen on the beach in the past 2 months. So I think the high season is about to start also, because the hurricane season is about to end. There is, however, one more hurricane about to come in, which might be the last one.
Hurricane Iota is on its way, but it probably would not reach the Yucatan Peninsula.
The water is just as incredible here as it always is, and I think that's the main reason why I've been here in Cancun for so long. I just haven't been able to leave, but I'll be leaving this week. But it's been such a good time and I've really enjoyed it. The weather has been good here all year, except for now in the past month.
I had walked a bit further down the hotel zone to Playa Delfines, which is the only place in the hotel zone that has no hotels or buildings. But this is the largest sand area you can find in the hotel zone. Most other entry points are blocked off by hotels.
The rain is about to come, but it's been nice to see the sun. It's the first time I've seen it in a while actually. It barely comes out. Always a rainstorm coming in now. Here behind me we also have the Cancun sign that a lot of people come to take a picture with. Usually there's like a huge line behind it when I pass by with the bus. Way longer than what you saw now.
I kept walking further down the beach today and passed by many of the huge resorts, such as Hotel Emporio, Hotel Royal Islander, Ibero Star Hotel, and Sea Dust Resort. The Ibero Star is a big one, with more than 400 rooms and lots of swimming pools. In my other videos, I have footage of all of the hotel zone if you want to see more. After many months of living in Cancun, I can tell you that the best place to be is the area that I have marked in red. Here is the most clean and blue water. What I have marked in yellow does not have as clean water because the lagoon water from the inside comes out to the sea there and makes the water a bit murky. However, it is still really nice, as you probably have seen in my other videos.
So I'm going back after my little walk. It was really nice to get out actually and see the sun a bit. All I can think of now is pool tricks. But we have a problem because now there are too many people at the resort, so I have to wait until it gets deep in the night to perform the pool trick. There's actually some pretty good frying here now. The clouds passed by and the skin is sizzling a little bit. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. I feel like I'm coming alive again when I've been out in the sun for a bit. Oh, very, very nice. I was sitting inside for 1 week straight. Rain and clouds every day. But now, we can breathe again and fry ourselves in the sun. Now, in just about 20 minutes, the sky is almost totally blue again. Really strange, I can't believe it. It's so nice, finally. The sweat is dripping, so we have to jump in and cool off in this nice water.
It was so incredible to go for a swim again in the really incredible Caribbean Sea, with the temperature that never goes below 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 degrees Celsius.
This is the best day in the past 2 weeks for sure, maybe more. So nice, I almost forgot what it's like to be out in the sun and fry yourself and swim in the nice water. Oh, I feel so good again, I can't believe it. I had some negative thoughts actually this week. I just got into some kind of negative mindset, but now when we see this, we can't help but being extremely happy and satisfied. Great frying, and then we have some pool tricks that are waiting for us deep in the night. Maybe we're gonna eat some pasta also, maybe go and buy some milk and some chips, and life will be complete once again. From my walk. There's some great frying here by the pool. Very good, look. Now I'm going inside. Pasta leftovers from yesterday that we're gonna eat, and some milk. Perfect. Pasta and milk makes me really happy actually. And also being in the sun, as you might already know. We are also gonna go to the gym today. I will show you some great workouts. I've been a little bit lazy lately actually. So if you wanna learn something more besides from the current situation in Cancun, then keep watching because I'm gonna show you some good workouts. Oh, the pasta is done. I was feeling a bit down actually in the past couple of days. Maybe because I couldn't go out in the sun. As soon as I go out in the sun, I feel super happy. And then I get to eat my pasta and my milk. There's not much better you can drink than milk and Coca-Cola. Those are the best things you can drink. You can see everything from here, the whole beach.
I'm starting to feel the urge for pool tricks now. But there are too many people here at this hotel now, so we have to wait until it gets deep in the night. But we can actually check here to see. I have an overlook over the pools. I know when the people are gone, so I can perform the pool tricks. We're gonna do a little workout and then it will be time for the pool tricks again. It's still so warm in the air, that's the best, when it never gets cold. It might be a bit hard to do pool tricks after this because you have like 15 workers that just run back and forth with the radio to check for pool tricksters to make sure they're not performing some pool tricks here. I think the mistake most people make is when the weekend comes, they drink a bunch of alcohol and eat really bad food. The only thing I have noticed that works is to work out until the muscles hurt, otherwise the results don't come. I had lost a bit of muscle since I'd been lazy and not stayed consistent for a while. Just a few weeks earlier I was in much better shape, but I had not been consistent since the gym had closed after the hurricane.
Oh, my friends, I finished the workout and gonna try to perform some pool tricks. We'll see if there are too many workers over there, so I maybe will not be able to do it, but I will try. Actually, I've done almost everything I can do here. We need a new pool from Pool Tricks, but I think I will be performing the handstand into a backflip that you have seen before. It's one of my favorite pool tricks actually. Now it's raining again for the 100th time in this past 2 weeks. Now it's raining a lot. Never attempted before. Slide on the rail here and then jump into the pool. Unfortunately, there will be no more pool tricks because there's a guy here. He will be very, very sad if I do the more pool tricks. Now we're going inside, my friends, to take a shower. Come along with me and I ease your pain. Now, my friends, we're gonna go and buy some more milk and some chips. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the videos that are gonna come from the west part of Mexico are gonna be very, very good. I forgot my flip-flops somewhere. I do it all the time. I just put stuff everywhere and I just don't find it. I am back, my friends, with the chips. Shh. No Coca-Cola today, actually, because it's too unhealthy with the Coca-Cola, so we got the milk instead. But I did eat dinner. I had some pasta again, and beans and avocado and some frozen veggies. So now we can enjoy the chips. But before I go, I wanted to actually tell you about something that I have designed. Designed a little logo that I might want to sell on t-shirts, depending on how people like it. So it's a little sheep, a black sheep, because I am the black sheep in the family. And I think people know the saying, what a black sheep is. It's somebody who goes their own way, somebody who doesn't follow the crowd, and somebody who takes risks, and somebody who does something different. But let me know what you think also, and if you could see yourself wearing this on a t-shirt, or maybe if I should change the name. So this is what it looks like now. Please let me know what you think. And also I've been thinking about selling maybe t-shirts like these. I don't know if people think that's a good idea. Here is the actual logo. The logo looks pretty cool, but I don't know if people would have this on a t-shirt. Here is my website that I made for the black sheep. Here are some hoodies and stuff. I don't know if people could like this or not. Here is what a shirt looks like. Black sheep. Here you see the black sheep. Or maybe a black sheep with a little bit of blonde curly hair. Maybe that is a better idea. Or if I should change the name and not have black sheep and have it named something else. Please let me know what you think. I would really appreciate it if you let me know. And also, if you go to the description of this video and click the link where it says that you can get $40 off your first booking with Airbnb, you can use my link and you will get $40 off your booking if you sign up for Airbnb
using my link. And also, thank you very much as always for watching this video, and please leave it a thumbs up if you don't mind. And also post a comment and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Thank you very much again. See you next time, everybody. See you next time. Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.